Hi guys, it's Karina. So I'm back with another video tutorial on my template 11, which is the one shown here. So I do have a picture tutorial on this one right here under my saved highlight stories on Instagram. But I wanted to make a quick video because I know some of you learn better through videos. So we're going to be doing this one right here, which is a slightly smaller version of this one right here. So let me go ahead and show you template 11 and what it looks like. So with template 11, you receive 10 petals. But what you will notice is that 5 of them have a wider base on the bottom, as you can see, and then the other 5 are slightly thinner. So this template came about almost 3 years ago. I was working on a custom order and I needed some sort of a poppy flower inspired template. So this is where this one came about. So typically what I like to do, so either way, I like to either layer them like this, how there's 2 different petals, and typically what I do is I just grab one that's with the wider and then the thinner, and then I just use those 2. Which, by the way, these are the 2 petals that I use for this one that we will need today. Or if you're a follower of mine, I don't know if you've seen my tropical sets. For my hibiscus flower, I just use this one petal, and then I just trace it 5 times and then just put a hibiscus center. And it's super simple. So it's just 1 layer flower. So that's also my go-to if you want a cute little simple flower and you just want a 1 petal layer. This template is great for that. And I also like using the peony image off the Cricut machine is also a great. And if you don't know what that looks like, I have one right here. This is what the peony image looks like. So it's also a great center for this type of flower. Again, you can do the 2 layer or the one layer, and it looks super cute. So that's called the peony on Cricut. Okay, so let's get started. It's seriously super easy, guys. So again, you're gonna grab the 2 smallest, so the smallest one with the wider base and the smallest with the thinner, and you're gonna need 5 of each. Okay. So I have my petals prepped, -1. So I am using the cardstock called Burgundy, and it is by Cards and Pockets. And so this is 105 pound weight. You want to say it's 100 or 105. So it is thick. But I do like using thicker cardstock paper when it comes to flowers like these that are simple, that require no curling involved. So just because there will be no creasing involved, because typically if you work with cardstock that's this thick and you're working with flowers that require the petals to be curled, it creases very easily. So, but I do like using it, like I said, for simple flowers like this that require no curling. So with your petals, you're just going to cut in the center, glue gun, just a little dot, cross them over. So you're going to do this to all 10 petals, just like that. Super easy. And that's it. And then all you're going to do is start off with your largest, and you're going to glue around in a circle. Now, Cards and Pockets is a website that you purchase online, guys, okay? I love using their cardstock. Their quality is just amazing. But they typically it is thicker cardstock. They do sell text weight paper too, though. So as you can see, I just went around in a circle, just like that. Now we need to cover up that hole. So don't throw your scraps away. And you're just gonna cut out a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we're just gonna cover that up. I am using my AdTech Pro 80. Center. just like that. Okay, grab your smallest one. This time, only on the right, just add a little dot of glue. And then place it in between the first layer of petals. See, super simple, super quick, and it's so cute. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do the center that requires no cutting machine, because I understand that some of us don't have any. So we're going to make this super cute center. There you go. So now we're going to work on the center. So today I'm going to be working with this beautiful gold cardstock that I purchased from Walmart. I believe it's 65-pound weight. So this is what it looks like. You receive 10 sheets, 5 gold and 5 silver. The back part is white though. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in fourths. Okay, so essentially you're only going to use 3 of the strips. 2 of them we are going to make this triangular looking, I don't know what you call it, but like fringy. So I didn't finish one of them just to show you how simple it is. You're just pretty much doing zigzags, and you want them thin. You don't want the triangulars too wide. You want them thin, okay? So just like this, and then just pull off the little strips, just like that. And then, so that's, you're gonna do 2 of these, okay? And then your other strip that you need, you are just going to fringe it and go do thin strips as well. You don't want these too thick. And just don't go all the way up, because you don't want to cut the whole strip off. There you go. Super easy. So now, what you're gonna do here is turn it around, the white part, if you're using this cardstock. And then you're just going to roll. So I layered them, and you're going to roll. So if you're making like a larger flower, I typically do 3 of these or 4, but because this is smaller, I don't want it too thick, which is why I only did 2 of the strips. There you go. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab the tip and you're going to press down. So this is kind of the effect that you want. And then with your other strip, you're going to add glue. Because I want the gold part to show, I'm going to wrap it around like this. And then just twist, or should I say turn? Wrap it around. Super easy, guys. And it's so cute. Voila. And then you're just gonna spread these apart. Just like that. And your center is all done. Then you just grab your flower, you're gonna add the glue, and then you're gonna glue her in the center. And there you go. Super simple and super duper cute. So again, this is template 11. If you're interested in the template, just go to www.arielelisedesigns.com. Bye guys.